Okay, so here's 7316. Sketch the graph of y equals log base 7/4 of x. So whenever it wants us to sketch a graph of a logarithm, we grab its inverse, not the exponential form of it, but the inverse, which would be 7/4 to the x. That's not the exponential, because we know that the exponential would be 7/4 to the y equals x. This is the inverse. And the reason we do that is because graphing exponentials should be more familiar to us, right? And then we know that if we graph the exponential, then it's going to reflect across this special line y equals x. Then we can just copy the graph as a log. Usually the exponentials go up like this, and then the log will be down here somewhere. So that's easy to graph. I usually just make a table and just do 3 values. Let's go -1, 0, and 1. -1, that's going to give me 4/7, and then 0 is going to give me 1, and then 1 is going to give me 7/4. Okay, so unless you have a translation, there's always going to be something right there. And then these just tell me how steep to make it. So -1 and 4/7, well, 4/7 is about half or something, so maybe like that. And then +1 and 7/4, that's going to be 1, it's almost 2, isn't it? 7/4, because 8/4 would be 2, so it's kind of up here somewhere. So just do that. It's going to go up somehow like that maybe. And then I just know I just reflected across this. If you're good at reflecting stuff just with your eyeballs, then you can just do it. I'm not. Well, actually, I'm getting better at it. I know this thing's going to go down this way, so I'm not even going to bother plotting any points. If you did want to plot points, you would just reverse them. You'd say 7/4, 1. So if that's 2, that's 7/4. I don't know. It should look like kind of like a mirror image, like if I folded it along the dotted line. So I know it looks like we just plotted some weird thing. This one down here is the actual graph that they asked you for. This is y equals log 7/4 x. That thing was just to help you graph. The real graph that they asked you for is just this piece down here.